Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to enable automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on developer options. If you cannot find the developer options, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them in this device. So let's check it and get back to this video. So let's tap on the developer options, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit in order to find auto update system option. So just tap on it in order to activate that, and from now on your device will update itself, so it will apply the updates after it will be restarted. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.